And meanwhile, former world record holder Asafa Powell is planning on leaving it all on the track in what could be his final season of track and field. Powell, who has a personal best time of 9.72 seconds done in 2008, is yet to win an individual Olympic Games medal, having represented Jamaica in 3 consecutive games to stand atop the podium for the 100 meters.
Looking forward to it, because I'm not getting any younger, so, this has to be the year, and, I'm just being confident and staying healthy.
In the meantime, Powell, who is also eyeing up a place on Jamaica's team to the World Relays, is hoping there will be no further disruption to the track and field season.
I'm looking forward to it, and I'm very much looking forward to the entire season because it's going to be a very interesting one. I'm hoping, I want it to go smoothly. Everything keeps putting off and, put to a later date, so, first thing is just, for everything to go smoothly. And, like I said, I'm definitely looking forward to the season, the World Relay, Olympic Games, the Diamond League, just traveling again.
So in March,
Opened his season last weekend with a 400 meters at the J3's qualification trial series held at the National Stadium.